Guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you are doing great. So this is a beautiful day the Lord has made. Okay, so I want to go and weave this hair. Let me just weave it. Yeah, so I'm going with my son. Yeah, so my daughter is with my girl at home. I'm trying to call my husband. So I just pray that okay, I've seen the woman sure she's around. So I just called my husband to inform me what to buy for us. Yeah, so we're already there. I'm not by yourself. Thank God she's around today. Let's see where we're going. See where we are going. I enter now. I should carry you. Oh, good afternoon, good evening, good do everything. Everything good. Hey, my Lord is good. Oh. So see my before, you're gonna see my later, after, before and after. Mm. Guys, how you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, depending on the area and time you're watching this video. So see the weaving that I did. How do you see it? Actually, today is the next day after the day I went to weave the hair. I said, let me just weave the hair like this. So if I want to go out, I can easily use wig. Okay. So I went to church. We went for meet. I'm just coming back. Yeah. So we still have program in the evening in the church. So yeah, I want to go out. Today is Saturday morning. So I want to blend tomatoes and prepare to stew so that in the evening by 5 I will be chance. Okay, yeah. So I said let me just carry you guys along in that cooking of stew. I don't think I'm going to carry you guys along, but by God's grace I will show you some parts in this vlog. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like this video. Like this video as you're watching it now. Like it. um I'm drying meat here, okay? Yeah, so I'm done drying tomatoes. So I'm using air fryer to dry meat, okay? So this is the tomatoes, okay? Yeah. So in the next 15 minutes, I'll come back to check the meat. I time it 15 minutes, so it's now in 30 minutes, okay? 30 minutes remaining. So I'll come back in the next 30 minutes, yeah. I'm done. Yeah, this is okay. I don't want it to dry much, so this is okay. So let's the cooking begins. Guys, guys, today we have party in the church, okay? So today is our group love feast. Yeah. So we are done going. So I'm going with my kids. Okay, because they say come with your kids. Come with your kids. Not only mothers alone. When you are coming, you have to come along with your kids. So I'm going with my beautiful kids, okay? Say hi. Your own is see Bobo here. Daddy say hi. So this is Mama. Mama, don't further. Mama say hi. Hi, see you at it. Oh yeah, now where are you? You further, better take it easy. Oh yeah, let's go. Daddy's car is outside. So let's go. Let's go. People should be going. Oga, go. Just hold Mama. Let her be walking. take it easy. I'm in another part. Give me a quack and not shout to be outside. Face it, you know. That's a 5, and we are going by 6. Ndị net ọga cherekwa biko maka bike jide nwa ahụ aka. Oh yeah. Daddy, come this side. We are waiting for Daddy to come so that we can move. I don't want you people to stay there. Come this side. People should go here. Let me snap you. So don't you go and join, huh?
Stand. Yeah. So don't you join them. Now stand with you.
Everywhere is beautiful. Slow. So guys, this is the environment, okay? Everywhere is looking so beautiful. Woo! This is it. Party. We are back from party, end of the year party for my group in the church. That is love fix. See me, I'll remove my wig. Voila. Hey, how you guys doing? Hope you are doing great. Oh my goodness. It was very interesting. Yeah. So it's very interesting though. We give God glory. Oh my goodness. I'm tired. Like, Ifes, bring my key from that bag. The key. Is you people's bag now. Bring it so that you can lock the entrance door. So guys, we are back as I'm very tired. Now everybody is okay. The kids are okay. I will just give my husband food and we go to bed. I'm okay. Tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. Woo! Mama, come and cook.